Dear students, happy morning to you all. Now we are going to see the book exercise for the prose The Wind on Haunted Hill. Did you remember that prose, my dear students? Okay, you saw, discuss with your partner and complete the table. This is the question number 1. Here they put serial number, question, who asked that question, who answered to that question, what was the answer, like that. The first question you see, shall we run back together? Like that, who asked? Usha. For that question, who answered? Yeah, Binya. What answer she gave? We will have to wait. Next one, can you see something behind the wall? This question was also asked by Usha. And who answered? Suresh. I can't see anything. That is the answer. Who said goodbye? Who asked this question? Usha. And who answered for this question? Suresh. Not I. I didn't say goodbye like that. Was it just the wind? Who asked this? Usha herself asked the question. So there is no one answered the question. So there is no answer. So was it just the wind? Question was asked by Usha herself. Okay, my dear students. And the next one. Choose the most appropriate option. The wind hurried and passed through the dash. Apples and mangoes, pines and deodars, berries and cherries. In this prose we saw pines and deodars only. So the answer is pines and deodars. The wind hurried and passed through the pines and deodars. The market was dash away from the village. How many miles away from the village? 3 miles, 7 miles, 11 miles. The answer was 3 miles. Usha went to visit her dad's house after shopping in the market. She went there and drink coffee na. Whose house? Grandfather's, aunt's, cousins. Aunt's house. Usha went to visit her aunt's house after shopping in the market. Usha took shelter in the dash. Ruins, caves, dens. We didn't see any caves and dens in this prose. So the answer was ruins. At dawn, the dash began to sing. We saw only one singing bird, whistling thrush here na. Cuckoo, linnet, thrush. So the answer was thrush. At dawn, the thrush began to sing. And now we are going to question answer. What were the children doing beside the stone wall? It was in the first section. The children was spreading the cloths out to dry beside the stone wall. The children were, already we saw it now. They spread the cloths to make the cloths dry on the stone wall. What did Suresh ask Usha? Why? Suresh asked Usha that won't she be afraid of coming back to the village all alone? She was already, Usha informed that she wanted to go for market today like that now. So Suresh asked Usha that won't she be afraid of coming back to the village all alone? Because there were ghosts on the haunted hill. Who told the children the story about the ghost on haunted hill? The grandfather told the children the story about the ghosts on haunted hill. Next one. What did Usha see while walking to the bazaar? Usha saw wild flowers, a wild plum tree, lizards, and a whistling thrush while walking to the bazaar. Why was it a struggle for the children to dry their clothes? The wind was blowing heavily and the cloths fluttered like flags and pennants. So the children struggled to dry their clothes because there were no places for them to dry their clothes. They want to dry their clothes on the floor only by using stones. So the wind was also blowing heavily. That's why there was a struggle for the children to dry their clothes. What story did grandfather tell them about the haunted hill? The grandfather told them about the story of the ghost on the haunted hill. What did Usha buy in the market? List them. Usha bought soap and matches, spices, sugar, a pipe stem, and an exercise book from the market. What scared Usha during the dark rainy night? When Usha moved against the stone sideways, she touched a soft and furry cat. Meanwhile, she gave a frightened cry and took her hand away. This made Usha to scare in the dark, rainy night. Already you knew this very well. How did the children react when they met each other at the rings? The children fell into each other's arms in surprise and relieved by repeating each other's names. Was it just the wind? What do you think Usha thought it was? Why? Usha did not believe that it was not just the wind because she had already heard about the story of the ghost in the haunted hill from her grandfather. While returning to the village from the bazaar, she saw two small children in ghostly figures at the disused fireplace, and even she was stared by those ghostly figures staring behind her. In the opinion of Usha, it was not just the wind, but the disembodied voice of those ghostly figures. Okay, my dear students, I hope you have understood this lesson question answers very well. Thank you all.